Seeing red, understanding anger in English idioms. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of English expressions, and our spotlight is on the vivid phrase, seeing red. Have you ever heard someone say it and wondered what on earth color has to do with anything they're feeling? Well, you're about to find out. Stay with us as we unpack this expression, its meanings, and how you can use it in everyday English. When someone says they're seeing red, they're not talking about a sudden change in their vision. Instead, this phrase is a colorful way of expressing that they're feeling extremely angry or agitated. But why red? Historically, red has been associated with strong emotions, especially anger, perhaps because it's the color of blood and fire. In English, we often use colors to symbolically represent feelings, and seeing red is a great example of this. The expression, seeing red, is believed to have its roots in bullfighting, where a matador's red cape, called a muleta, is used to provoke the bull. There's a common myth that bulls react to the red color, but in reality, bulls are colorblind to red. The movement of the muleta is what triggers the bull's charge. Nevertheless, the association with red and the bull's aggressive reaction has led to the phrase, seeing red, to describe human anger. Let's see how to use this phrase in real-life situations. If someone cuts you off in traffic, you might say, "That guy just cut me off, and now I'm seeing red." Or if a friend is telling you about how they were treated unfairly at work, they might say, "When my boss blamed me for the mistake, I started seeing red." Remember, it's a metaphorical way to express anger, so you wouldn't use it to describe mild annoyance. English is rich with idioms that use color to describe emotions. For example, someone who is green with envy is very jealous, and a person might be in the blues if they're feeling sad or depressed. Exploring these expressions can add flavor to your language and help you better express your emotions in English. We hope this video has brightened your understanding of the phrase, seeing red, and perhaps added a splash of color to your English vocabulary. Remember, idioms are a fun way to connect with a language and its culture, so don't shy away from using them. Until next time, keep practicing, and don't get too angry. Or should I say, try not to see red. Goodbye, and happy learning!